one of Immutep's other focuses is in autoimmune diseases. In particular, you have a drug, IMP761. How is that different to other approaches, and what are your plans in this area?
Thank you, Tim. Indeed, autoimmune diseases are often overlooked. In the case of Immutep, of course, not in general, because our focus is so much on oncology, and often we discuss eftilagimod. So I'm very glad that you provide me here with a chance to talk about IMP761, which is the world's first agonist to LAG-3, positioned in autoimmune diseases, and it's actually a very upstream approach. So it is addressing the root cause of more than 90% of autoimmune diseases. These are the chronically LAG-3 activated T cells. So LAG-3 is an exhaustion marker, which is located on the exhausted T cells, constantly exposed to the self-peptide. Those guys accumulate at disease site. So it's practically our own immune system running wild. And in case of psoriasis, for instance, attacking the own skin, leading to redness and to plaques and so on and so forth. And to bring those guys under control, so to bring the immune system into the right balance again, is why we designed IMP761. And IMP761 is clustering LAG-3 on the T cell and temporarily silencing the T cell, relaxing the immune system, relaxing the T cell. So this is very important. Could be relevant, again, in more than 90% of autoimmune diseases, and it's a potentially curative approach. So not a symptomatic approach, let's say getting rid of the redness in psoriasis, but not addressing the root cause of the disease. We would like to address the root cause of the disease. We are at preclinical stage. There has been a good publication in Journal of Immunology last year. There are other publications out there, and we are now moving the program forward through manufacturing, other preclinical steps, hopefully to start clinical development as soon as we can, realistically in 12 to 18 months.
And Mark, this is obviously a new approach for the industry, and as you look towards commercialization, will you adopt a similar strategy that you've had previously in terms of licensing and partnerships as well?
Yeah, Tim, indeed, it's a very new approach. It's cutting-edge science, a unique mode of action. Of course, there might be other LAG-3 agonists in the future, but currently we are, to my knowledge, the only ones. It's an exciting program, and we can feel it also in the discussions we are having with a variety of external parties. However, I feel also that we can add more value to the program, entering, for instance, the clinical trials. If we partner later on is a question we would need to answer then. And it's practically a constant question, I would say, in terms of the strategy and what we would like to achieve. But we have a good amount of resources in terms of cash, in terms of knowledge and staff to move forward the next foreseeable future ourselves. If there is a good opportunity based on some discussions we are having, then we may or may not pursue those, but we are coming here from a position of strength. And indeed would like to move forward. Later on for commercialization, especially as autoimmune diseases are very diverse, very big and very different, there are other players who do that much, much better than we do, as we don't have any sales force. But we would find the right time to team up, and everything, of course, based on the data and progress we see.
Mark Voigt, thanks for your time.
Thank you so much, Tim.